Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is evening on my end. Depending on what part of the world you are, it may be morning, it may be afternoon, but it is evening on my end. 12 minutes past 6, 18:12 or 6:12 p.m. Nigerian time. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's the first daily market summary for the week. Thank you to everyone who's liked, shares, subscribed this video. Thank you for doing so. And you may wonder, why do I say thank you? You do not owe me a thing. And so for every time you take out to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment, I truly appreciate you for doing so. That is time, energy, and money I could not pay in monetary terms. As always, please note, nothing I say is financial or trading or personal finance advice. Please do your own research. I take it again. Nothing I say or nothing on this channel is personal or trading or financial advice in any shape or form. Please do your own research. What a day, starting the week on a red note. All share index fell by 1.26%. The ASI, for short, that's the short form of the all share index, measures the average performance of stocks on the exchange. Some stocks will do better and some stocks will do worse. In terms of volume, 388.1 million shares valued at 31.1 billion naira were traded in just above 28,000 deals. I'll show you the significance of this in a bit. Who led the gainers today? Sovereign Trust Insurance up 9.97% to close at 3 naira 20 kobo. NCR is still pushing. Where is this stock going to? Honestly, I don't know. I don't get what is driving the momentum in this stock. NCR up 9.96% to close at 28 naira and 15 kobo. Tantalizers spurred by the news of a tripartite agreement signed between Tantalizers, its fishery units, and a US firm. That's the only reason I can see why this stock is up 9.81% to close at 2 naira 35 kobo. On the losing side of things, Dangote Cement is dipping, and I suspect this is one reason, or maybe the main reason, why the all share index, the market fell today. Dangote Cement down 10% to close at 534.6 naira a share. Nigerian Enamaware Company, Newco, down 10% to close at 40.5 naira a share. I'll take it again. Newco, down 10% to close at 40.5 naira a share. Transnational Corporation fell 4.66% to close at 43 naira a share. On the volume side of things, Tantalizers led the pack. 57.1 million shares traded. Second place, Ardell, 30.4 million shares traded. GTCO, third place, 21.7 million shares traded. To value, Ardell accounted for about 60% of value traded so far on the NGX today. 21.4 billion naira worth of shares traded. GTCO, second place. Distant second place, 1.87 billion naira worth of shares traded. And then Presco, third place, 1.21 billion naira worth of shares traded. What else happened today? UACN held an analyst call to discuss its acquisition of Chi Limited. I will discuss the call, my takeaways from the call, and my revised target price in tomorrow's pre-market video. So you don't want to miss that. Before I go, let's dive into a few things. I want to look at some numbers in detail. I think I can close this. A shout out to TRW. Quite like those firm. I'll make my job easy. Whoever makes my job easy gets a shout out, or whichever way you call it. Let's go look at some of the stocks that added large value. Presco 1.21 billion naira. So I want to see 866,000 Presco shares traded today. Let's go see. Ardell led the pack in terms of value. So I want to know 30.4 million shares traded today. Is there anything else I need to know? Danksem 537,000 shares traded today. So that's pretty much about it. MD resigned. Acting MD Joyce Odiachi, ED technical. Then you had a non-executive director of Zenith Bank, Chuks Oko, bought a few shares. It's looking like 24,000 shares. That's just to be over $1 million naira. That's a small transaction. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. And just in case you were wondering, this post goes up Substack by 5 p.m. West African time. Podcast audio version 7 p.m. West African time. West African time, WAT, is also Nigerian time. Same time belt. All links are in the bio. Ladies and gentlemen, see you tomorrow.